Welcome to AutoCAD Basic Tutorials. For today's video, we will be exploring the AutoCAD software by knowing its basic parts, functions, and how to properly execute different commands in AutoCAD operations. But first, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Katrina Daroy, and I am your facilitator for today's lesson, Basic CAD Operation. Our lesson is consisting of a short introduction about CAD and AutoCAD software, basic parts of AutoCAD, and special keys, line command, move command, and erase command. But before we start, let me ask you first a question. Do you have any idea what is CAD or AutoCAD? Or is there any word that comes to your mind when you hear these words? If you still don't know the meaning of these words, then this video is perfect for you. What is CAD software? CAD or computer-aided design is the use of computers to aid in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. This software is used to increase the productivity of the designer, improve the quality of design, improve communications through documentation, and to create a database for manufacturing. And what is AutoCAD software? AutoCAD is computer-aided design or CAD software that is used for precise 3D and 2D drafting, CAD design and modeling with solids, surfaces, mesh, object, documentation features, and more. It includes features to automate tasks and increase productivity, such as comparing drawings, counting, adding objects, and creating tables. Developed and marketed by Autodesk, AutoCAD was first released in December 1982 as a desktop app running on microcomputers with internal graphic controllers. And where is AutoCAD used for? AutoCAD used in real-world application, including architecture, sculpting, house design, electrical engineering, interior design, civil engineering, industrial plants, mechanical engineering, art, and set design. So now that we already have a little background about CAD and AutoCAD, we can now proceed in exploring the software by watching the video tutorial. Before we go to the different AutoCAD commands, we should first know their basic parts or display for better execution of the said software. The display contains all the tools and icons which makes the process to create any drawing. So here I'm using the AutoCAD version 2022. First, we have the application menu or button. It is present in the upper left corner of the workspace. So here's the application menu button. And if we click this, we can see different options like new, open, save as, import, export, publish, print, and drawing utilities. And to close this application menu, we can click anywhere outside the application button or window. And next is the quick access toolbar, which is located at the top of the application window and right of the application menu. So here is the quick access toolbar. We have the home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, collaborate, and express tool. And the tools under the quick access toolbar is what we call the ribbon panel. It provides access to the dialog box related to that panel. So if we click the home, then the ribbon panel is all about that home panel. If we click the insert, the ribbon panel will change according to the panel that we have clicked. So next, we have the user coordinate system or the UCS, which is the active coordinate system that represents the XY plane in 2D and XYZ planes in 3D. So here's the UCS or the user coordinate system, which we can move anywhere in the working space. It acts as the direction in the X, Y, and Z axis for drawing and modeling. We can control the origin and orientation of the UCS to make drawings according to the specific points and coordinate. So next, we have the view cube, which is termed as the navigation tool that is displayed when we are working on a 2D or 3D model space. So here is the view cube, and we can change it to navigate our drawing or model. We also have the navigation bar, which is used to access the navigation tools. It is user interface element where we can access both common tools and unique product tools. So in navigation bar, we have full navigation wheel, pan or panning to move the planar to the screen, zoom extent to zoom the display at the maximum extent of all objects, orbit, and the show motion. So next we have here the command line window. Here's the command line window, the white bar at the bottom part of the AutoCAD, which is used to write the commands. We need to press enter or the space bar key after typing any particular command. Next is the status bar. The status bar is a display of drawing tools that affect the drawing environment. It provides quick access to the most commonly used drawing tools. Here is the status bar. It can be found in the lower right of the AutoCAD. So it includes grid mode, snap mode, dynamic input, ortho mode, iso drop, and different drawing tools. And lastly is the mouse cursor, where it is used to draw figures and etc. And now that you have already know its basic parts, we can now proceed to the basic AutoCAD commands and its shortcut keys. And that's it for the basic parts of the AutoCAD software. But the question is, how AutoCAD used? Let's find it out by watching another video tutorial. So let's start by using the mouse. If we will move our mouse in any direction, we can notice that our cursor on the screen is also moving. This cursor controls the direction and location of the pointer. But if we move the cursor outside this drawing space, we can notice that it becomes an arrow. Next, we have the scroll button. Scroll button plays an important role in AutoCAD operations, like in zooming and panning. To zoom in and out of our drawing using the mouse, we can scroll our scroll button up and down. We can also double-click the scroll button to perform the zoom extent or to see the whole drawing. Just for example here, the drawing is too small that we can't even see it, but by double-clicking the scroll button, we can automatically see the whole drawing. In addition, we can also hold and drag the scroll button to perform panning or to move our drawing space like what I am doing right now. Now, let's go to the keyboard special keys. We have the escape key, spacebar, and enter key. The escape key is used to cancel the command, while the spacebar and enter key are used to activate the command. Just for example, I will activate the line command by typing its shortcut key into the command bar, which is L. Then after typing the command, I will press either the spacebar or the enter key to activate it. But personally, the spacebar is much easier to use in activating commands by just using your thumb. Now, let's proceed in performing basic commands in AutoCAD such as line command, move command, and erase command. So we can see here a drawing, and we will try to perform this using the line command. To perform this, we'll just type L for the shortcut key of the line and press spacebar or enter to activate the command. So we can notice that the drawing doesn't provide any specific point to start, so we can just click anywhere in the drawing space or just type 0 and 0 as our x and y values for this. So I'm going to start from here down here for better execution of the drawing. From point 1 to point 2, it says that the direct distance is 3. So we'll just type the distance in the command bar, which is 3, and press enter to activate. Next, for the point 2 to 3, it says that the direct distance is 4. So we'll just type 4. Next, 1. Next, we have 4 as a direct distance. Try this dimension or dim linear. You can type the command in the command bar by typing dim L, and we can check now if our distance or measurement of the drawing is correct. So now that we are already done with the drawing, we can notice that the direct distance is correct, like in the reference. So next, we have the move command. To activate this command or to perform this command, we just select the drawing that you want to move, just for example here, and for the shortcut key of the move command, type letter M and space bar. Now it says that specify base point, so we can specify any point from the drawing as our base point. So I will choose this as my base point. Now we can move the drawing anywhere in the drawing space. For the erase command, we can, just like the move command, we will select the object that we want to erase. Just for example here, and we'll just type the shortcut key for erase command, which is letter E, and press space bar. Now you can see that the drawing is already erased. Thank you for watching my video tutorials about the basic command we can perform in AutoCAD and its basic parts. I hope you learned something about our video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.